kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Firebase, the Facebook authentication using Firebase, and also I will teach you how to use the Firebase SDK inside your Android application to log in the user and also to fetch the user information. Alright, so I will make it a very simple and a short video so that you understand all the concept in that. Alright, so let's get started. So without wasting any time, so first of all, what we are going to do, okay, so first of all you need to go to Firebase developer console and you need to add the application there. So for that, let's write Facebook developers. Alright, and after you open it, my internet is very slow these days. Okay, so in there you need to go to my apps and click on add new app. Alright, so here we will add the new application as, let's say, my FB login app. Okay, and I will click on create app ID. Okay, so they are saying that we should not use FB in our name, so here we will enter the captcha. Alright, so you can see that now the application is created inside our Facebook console. So now here we need to set up the Firebase the Facebook login. So I will click on setup. So it will okay, so here we need to select this Android, and from there you don't need to download the Android SDK, you just need to click on next, and after that you only need to copy this. Alright, and you need to go to your project, and inside your build.gradle file, so you just need to paste it. Okay, so I have already pasted the dependency here, that is it. Okay, so you just need to click on synchronize now. Alright, so it will take a couple of minutes to compile the project. After it is done, so you just need to click on next. Alright, so here you need to paste your package name, so go to build.gradle, and inside that you just need to copy that. Alright, and let's first of all remove our application which I already have with this package name. Okay, so my sample tutorial, and we will delete the app so that it does not cause any issue. So I will remove that. Okay, so inside that we will just paste our the package name, and after that we need to paste our main activity here. So I will just paste it, and we will say .main activity. Alright, so now you need to click on save and click on use this package name. Okay, after that you just need to click on continue. Okay, so now you need to generate the key hash. Okay, it is the most important step, and in every video there was some problem or the users could not understand how to generate this key hash map. Okay, so I will tell you a simple and a very simple way. So what you need to do, okay, so just open command prompt. Okay, and after that you need to go to where your Java is stored, so it will be in your program files, Java and JDK and bin. Alright, so you just need to copy the path and write cd space and paste it and click enter. Okay, so now you are in the bin directory. Alright, so after that what you need to do is you just need to open write open SSL. Alright, so you will have an issue that OpenSSL is not present, so you need to download the OpenSSL and paste it inside your bin folder. Okay, so there you will see that. Alright, and after that you can see that this is now open, so there you go. Okay, so this is the, you need to just copy it and paste it inside your here. Okay, but before that you need to just rename it. Okay, because this is Harun PC, you can see here, see users Harun PC. Okay, so in your case it can be different, so you need to set it up. After that you just need to copy it. Okay, I will paste it in the video description, so copy it and paste it here and click OK. Alright, so it is saying me an error, so all I need to do is just paste it here and let's see. Okay, so you just need to paste it here and there you go, we have this hash key. Okay, you just need to copy that and let's paste it here. Okay, so this will be our hash key, so copy that and go to here and just paste it. Alright, and click on save. Alright, after that you just need to click on continue, then you need to click on next. Alright, so now this is the our Facebook ID, so we just need to copy this code and paste it inside our strings.xml part. Alright, so you just need to paste it here. After that you need to have internet permission, so I already have the internet permission here, let me show you. Okay, so we need to also yes, just remove that. Okay, so here you can see that we have this internet permission, and after that you need to copy this code and paste it just below your above your application and tag. Okay, so just paste it here. Alright, after that you just need to click on next, and this was the way of integrating the Facebook inside your Android project. Okay, so after that you need to go to your main activity, and here you need to have this Facebook SDK.SDK initialize. Alright, after that what you need is, okay, so you just need to click on next. Okay, so here we will use the login button here, so we will just copy the button and we will paste it inside our main activity.xml, and there you can see we have this button, and let's make it bigger. Alright, and after that, since we have the ID for the login button, so we need to first of all initialize our login button, and we will initialize it here. after that what we need is the callback manager, because if you click on next, so here you can see that we need to use that. So we first of all we can say callback manager. We created the object, and inside our own create method we need to initialize that. So we can initialize that by using callback manager equals to callback manager dot factory dot create. Alright, and after that we need to say login button dot set read permissions, and inside that we can say arrays dot add list, and we will say email. Alright, so after that it's a very simple process. We need a button click event with button click login FB. Alright, and inside our button login method we need the login manager class, and we can say dot get instance dot register callback. So the first argument will be the callback manager, then we will need to initialize our Facebook callback. Alright, so now there we have these three methods which are overridden. So first of all it's on success, on cancel, and on error. Okay, so inside our on success method what we can do, okay, so in our on cancel method, if the user cancels the event, so the on cancel method will be called, and if there is any error, so this on error method will be called. So let's just print a message. Okay, user cancelled it. Alright, similarly we will copy that and we will paste it here, and instead of user cancelled it we can say error dot get message. Alright, and after that in our own success method we need to access the the token. Okay, so for that how can we do that? So first of all we need to have a separate method to handle the Facebook token. Alright, and inside that we need to send the token, so we can say login result dot get access token. Alright, so we need to create this, so click on alt enter and select create method and select this main activity. Okay, and here we will handle the access token here. So for that we can here use auth credential equals to Facebook auth credential, okay, Facebook auth provider dot get credentials, and inside that we will just pass the access token. So we can say access token dot get token. Alright, so we have taken the token, and after that we can authenticate the user with that credential. So we can say auth dot sign in with credential with, okay, and inside that we will just send the credential object, and we now need to use the add on complete listener. So we can say new on complete listener, and inside our on complete method so we can check if sorry guys, the task is successful. So all is we can do is we can create the Firebase user object, my user obj equals to auth.get current user, and here we can update UI accordingly, and we can send the my user object here. And if there is some problem and the task is not successful, so we can say could not register to Firebase. Alright, so that was it. So after the user login, so we want to fetch the email address. Okay, so for that let's have a text view here, so it will contain the email address. Alright, so let's first of all initialize the text view. So for that we can say text view t2, and let's initialize it by calling t2 equals to text view find view by id r dot id dot text view 2. Alright, and inside our update UI method we need to update our text view, so we can simply say t2 dot set text, and we can say my user object dot get email. Alright, that was very simple. One thing which I have forgotten is I don't know if it affects our coding or not, but we need to use the onActivity result method, and before our super method we need to have callback manager dot onActivity result, and inside that we need to use first of all request method result code, and the final one will be the data. Alright, so that was it. Before that we also now need to go to our Firebase authentication. Let's first of all delete it. Okay, let's just delete all the values from there. Okay, now click on database, and inside database we also need to remove all the values, although it is not required but it is recommended. Okay, so just click on delete, and also you just need to click on delete. Okay, so now go to authentication, then click on sign in method, and inside that you need to go to Facebook, and it will be disabled. Okay, so you need to enable it, and here you can see that it is requiring the app ID. So for our app ID we can simply go to our strings.xml, and there you go, we have this new Facebook ID. So just paste it and remove the app secret, we will have this. Okay, so for the app secret what you can do, okay, let me see. Okay, click next and next. Alright, so you need to go to settings and click on basic, and there you can see your app secret here. Click on show and just copy it, okay, and paste it inside your Firebase console and click okay. So now the next step is very important, you need to copy this. Okay, so now it is copied. Now click on save, and there you can see Facebook updated. Alright, after that what you need is go to your my login. Alright, click on advanced or click on dashboard. Okay, sorry, and after that let me see the advanced. Okay, so from there you need to go to settings, and inside that you need to provide the valid OAuth redirect URL. So just select this and click on save changes. Okay, so you can see that it is saved and everything is now working. Okay, so let's run our application. Let me connect my phone and let's see if it works or not. Alright, so now I have connected my phone. Let's run the application and let's see if it works or not. Let me uninstall the application so that we use it without any problem. Okay, so now our application is running. Okay, one thing which I have forgotten is the on click method here, so which I always forget to add. So here we can say on button click login FB. Let me see if there is the same name. Okay, so now we just need to run our application again and let's see if it works or not. Also we can open our Firebase authentication part. Okay, so now our application is running, so let me click on continue with Facebook, and there you can see that continue as so I will click on continue, and there you can see that now the user is successfully logged in, and here you are able to see the email address here. Alright guys, so if I click on refresh, so you can see that this email is already here in our Firebase authentication. Alright, so guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.